Hey guys, thank you so much for stopping by my channel. I want to share with you a tag that I created using some dies from Craspire. I will have the website linked down below, as well as the link to the dies if they are still available for you to just click on and go right to it. Please make sure you stop by the website and check it out, because I'm sure that there is something there that you would like. So this is what I created. I did a tag and I love how it turned out. You can see just how cute these girls are. But first, let me show you the dies. It came with a set of 2 dies. This is the first one. You get 2 different girls, 2 different dresses. And this is the second one. So cute. And here we go. This is what they look like. I absolutely love how this turned out. So pretty. And you could use your designer paper for the dresses. You could cut them all out in white and color them. And I did a mixture of both. I cut the dresses out in designer paper, but I cut the white cardstock and I colored their hair with some distress ink. Super cute. And as you can see, this is a Valentine themed tag that I am going to be sending out, and I love the way that it turned out. Super cute. So again, I will have the links down below for you to check this out. Thank you so much for stopping by, and you guys have a great crafty day. Until the next video, bye bye.